Hi there, Guy Simmons, Fine and Country in Oxfordshire. Just want to talk about the spring market. As we're in spring now, a lot more positivity about. The weather's been gloomy as always in January, February, and it's just a bit grey. So I think we just need to look forward now to a more colourful springtime with the garden starting to shoot and people wanting to get outside as the warmer weather approaches. But it's a brilliant time now to actually get your property ready for marketing in the spring or early summer. Um, Obviously, your house looks better when there's some sun and some brighter weather. And I think also that word spring clean and stuff, you can actually start thinking, we really want to do something now. So getting an agent engaged with you early on at this time, I can come and speak to you about how to prepare your house and not have to rush this process. You know, there may be things that might be really beneficial to get done now. Well, it's still a little bit grey before things start to pick up. Decluttering the house, tidying the sheds, the garage, tidying up the garden so that everything's ready to go when we're ready to market the house. And it starts to look fantastic then for the video presentation and the marketing. So that would be great if you're interested and you've got a property, particularly family properties at the moment. We've got an awful lot of families that are looking for school places in Abingdon and Oxford. And those places obviously start in September. But the spring now and summer is the time where they need to secure that home so that they can guarantee an address so they can get their children registered into that school. So it's a really good time if you're thinking of selling your home and it's a family-sized home to give me a call. I'll be happy just to come out, give you some pointers and sort of set a plan of action as to what might be worthwhile to do and what might not be worthwhile to do. We can help you with staging the house, give you some guidance on what things would be beneficial. You might be better to redecorate certain rooms in different colours. But that's the sort of detail that we do at Fine and Country. So if that is of any interest to you at all, we're also up in Park Lane in Mayfair on the 21st of April. So another great opportunity to showcase your property. If you contact me, we can perhaps get some photographs done so that you can be in that shop front showcase window, one of the most prestigious addresses in the UK, in fact. So just give me a call. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.